During tough times for all of us, consumer behaviors have changed and are going to continue to change. E-commerce is booming during COVID, and it's crucial to provide your customers a seamless and positive post-purchase experience. Let me share with you a great example from the furniture giant IKEA. IKEA learned their lessons from the past, and today the company provides a positive post-purchase experience that drives not only more online sales, but also more sales in general for the company. What did they do? IKEA bought a startup company called TaskRabbit, where customers can hire an independent handy person to pick up, deliver, and assemble your furniture using the TaskRabbit app in real time. Isn't that wonderful? IKEA found a way to meet consumers at the exact moment when they immediately want to achieve their goal. And this is context marketing at its best. Today, successful companies that enjoy consistent growth are those who stay focused on crafting continuously experiences across the entire customer journey. Be one of them. And remember, as long as the Matterhorn stands, everything is going to be all right. Cheers.